All right, tree lovers, here we are with part two. This is the finished look of two brand new Sylvesters to create a triangular look in the front of this house. This is a house in Chulota, I think it's pronounced. That's kind of between Orlando and Sanford. So we've got a 16 footer right there, a 21 footer right there, and an 18 footer. So we got short on each side and taller in the middle. It's a beautiful look. We have to leave them tied for 30 days. If you can see that string hanging down beside each tree, that's so the owner can just yank that string and the top will come untied and it will all fall into place. So this is Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. We invite you to like, follow, and share on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And other than that, have a great day.